Ever wondered where uprooted tree stumps go? There's a powerful machine designed specifically to tackle those rugged stumps, transforming them into fine wood chips. Just listen to that engine roar. Those gears are pure muscle in action. The sight of men wielding axes to uproot trees evokes a deep sense of nostalgia. The sound of the axe and the earthy scent of freshly unearthed roots blend to create a vivid picture of a simpler time, reminding them of their heritage. Using a simple pulley system ignites a sense of thrill, as one imagines the power harnessed through sheer mechanics. It's a testament to how old-school techniques can solve modern problems. The Jar-Crack EVA Pro tractor, your new ally in the southern German forests. This beast can bear up to 11,023 pounds, allowing it to unload colossal timber with style. It navigates with such finesse that it leaves the tree roots unharmed. With the stump buried deep in the earth, a stump grinder is your best ally. In just a few minutes, what was once a stubborn root becomes nothing more than a pile of wood chips, leaving your landscape pristine. As the ugly bark is removed, the smooth white wood beneath evokes a sense of nostalgia. This enhancement not only improves the aesthetic appeal, but also significantly increases the wood's overall quality and market value.
So basic setup is we have the high lift.
If you've got a few stubborn stumps in your yard and don't want to bother with bulky machinery, consider using a stump pulling jack. It's a clever and cost-effective way to clear your space.
Shoot, that big root.
What would that take? About a minute?
Less.
Do you ever wonder if machines have their own KPIs? Look at that excavator with a grinding head. It devours an entire tree in just a few seconds, like a ravenous beast on a feeding frenzy. Hey there, forestry enthusiasts. The Cranman P25 B8WD harvester. It looks smaller than its older siblings, but wait until you see its powerful engine roaring at 100 to 150 horsepower. Priced at approximately $80,000, it represents a significant investment in modern forestry technology. Goodness, the sheer volume of wood here is astonishing. The excavator is like an artist, gracefully stacking the logs, while that massive ship looms large. Ever thought about the adventure of loading wood onto a ship out at sea? The imposing, centuries-old oak presents a formidable challenge for both professional lumberjacks and their chainsaws. However, with substantial experience and the advanced Style MS 880, they navigate this task with unparalleled skill and precision.
Mochtest du?
The logs display remarkable durability. While the wood chipper's gears appear to face some resistance, the machine is engineered to overcome such challenges efficiently. massive truck roars down the road, its engine growling with power as it hauls an enormous load of timber. It's a thrilling sight, nature and machine working in perfect harmony. Wow. Watching the process of removing a tree stump by burning it is like stepping into a scene from the past. This technique harnesses the natural element of fire to decompose wood, returning nutrients to the soil. Without a doubt, the weather is frigid out here. Yet the driver and the harvester press on, tirelessly felling trees amidst the thick, pristine snow. It's a breathtaking testament to human perseverance against nature's chill. Wow. In Austria, the T-Winch 10.2 tackled its daily duties with impressive skill. No steep incline could daunt this powerhouse, as the driver masterfully navigated every obstacle with ease. The unforgiving terrain of Göktürk had halted the massive trucks hauling tons of timber, preventing them from reaching their destination. The rescue was grueling as the truck inched forward, struggling through the muddy landscape.